All right, so I discovered that the 43 ohm resistor that I repurposed originally was actually not enough resistance for only 3 LEDs, and so all the LEDs died. I didn't even realize it until I started testing things. So I'm bumping it up to 7 LEDs, and I'm going to change the resistance to approximately 100 ohms. That should give me a current between 15 milliamps and 20 milliamps, which should be what these LEDs are going to need. So I've drilled out the new holes, and you can see I've already mounted the LEDs. I'm going to start soldering stuff up, and then I'll test with an external 12-volt power supply and see how bright it is. But it's kind of embarrassing that that the LEDs were dead, but I didn't really think about it. I just hooked it up. But I did, this time I'm doing some calculations, so I'm going to get it right. Fortunately for me, the LEDs lasted long enough to pass inspection, and that's ultimately all I was trying to accomplish that day anyway. So this is part 2, and I guess there'll be a part 3 when I get it all together.